Hi, we are Gianmarco Mendiola and Alejandro Farro, and we are going to talk about some quality software fundamentals, including its importance and the main features within this field. Quality relates to defining the software process to be improved. Also, software quality has its own peculiarities and might be problematical for the following reasons: lack of physical existence, lack of knowledge of client needs, change of client needs over time, and so on. The purpose in examining quality is not only to improve the software process but also to facilitate decision making. In order to qualify a software, we need quantitative data to prove a decision. System requirements are usually categorized as non-functional and functional, and it has 6 main characteristics as follows. Not all the software characteristics have equal weighting with respect to metrics. Some frameworks mentioned are the ISO 9000 framework, the ISO 9001, 2, 3, and 4. The main types of measurements are the functional managers who are interested in applying graded control to the software development, the project managers who are interested in being able to accurately predict and control project size, individual software practitioners. They make informed decisions about their work, specialists interested in quantitative information, and customers and users interested in the delivery of high-quality products. The goal question metric paradigm is basically explained in 3 punctual steps.
Software quality measurement fundamentals. Product measurements exist in order to assess and make judgment calls based upon recollected data. So product measurements focus on size, which could be either lines of code or function points, complexity, which could be either cyclomatic or structural, number of defects, which could be the measure of total defects in relation to the amount of software entities, the amount of test coverage, which is the number of tests needed to ensure minimum defects, the arrival rates and problem report backlogs, the first one being the measurement of problems detected on arrival, and the second one be the state of these arrival rates, which could be open, closed, resolved, or fixed. Then volatility, measurement based on how much requirements are guaranteed to change, the overall system performance, which is the number of characteristics that a piece of software is meant to accomplish, like throughput, response time, resources used, accuracy, and capacity. The reliability is how the software product is capable of performing the functions it's meant to, and is measured by number of defects of said software in a period of time. The availability, which is how the software product is available to who it needs to be available to when needed. And the maintainability, which is how flexible the software is in order to be customized and to be fixed. Also, in order to do a proper analysis of quality, the document compares metric and measurement. Metric being a quantitative measure of the degree to which a system component or process possesses a given attribute, and measurement being the action of measuring an established metric. But what are software product entities? Software development generates outputs. These are the software product entities. It could be the following: requirements documentation, software design specifications, code, reports, data specifics, time planning documents, and quality indicators. The document also presents that not only products can be measured, but also processes. And they can be measured in the following: the costs, the first pass yield, cycle time, and their defects, which is the defect detection, their containment or their removal, and their effectiveness. Last but not least, the business must measure the customer impact, which is important for feedbacks. Through surveys, the best way to collect customer opinions, you can assess the grade of acceptance your product delivers and how satisfied the customer is in terms of efficiency and satisfactions. Also providing the company with positive or negative feedback about the project and its conclusion. And second, also through how the software suppliers respond to problem reports, measuring the customer's response towards the organization and how important they feel through the process. To finish, we came up with two conclusions. Based on measurement results, one should be capable of making informed decisions on the quality of their software. And second, the purpose of ensuring quality software is to ensure also the satisfaction of the consumer towards the product, having guaranteed the client's return.